I'm talking today with John Piper. John has been in the investment scene for a good many years and is probably known to many by various books and so on. And John's had a really quite interesting career. So, John, I wonder if you could sort of start us off with sort of how you got involved in this whole world of trading and investing.
I think there are probably two culprits in this. Well, probably three, in fact. I guess myself, I'm very intrigued by puzzles and challenging challenges, and the market is probably the ultimate puzzle and the ultimate challenge. And to start with, I was just looking at the option market, and I started. In fact, a guy called Bob Beckman, some people have probably heard of, wrote a good book called Super Timing. He comes up with a lot of stick, in fact, for various other things, but the book Super Timing is an excellent book. And it outlined the principles of the Elliott wave theory. And I started to chart FTSE and work out the wave patterns. And I used to do the odd options trade, which normally didn't produce much profit, but it in fact did on one occasion, as I remember. So between I think 1985 and 1987, I may have done like 3 trades, one of which made money. And it was only, I think, around then when a friend of mine mentioned to me that you can actually sell options as well and write options, that I thought, well, Christ, that seems like a really good idea. And I couldn't see how I could lose. It shows how completely naive I was at the time. And I remember sitting in the bath in Andorra after skiing and thinking, well, Christ, if I did this and did that and I sell that option, then I could sell this option. I thought, well, that's got to be tried out. So that's how it started.
Oh, right.
So that was the beginning of my trading.
Yeah. So the options market then was your baptism?
Yes, very much so. I didn't, in fact, know anything about futures until a little bit later on. I think the first year I was trading, which was in fact later in '87, it was purely writing options. I mean, in fact, I think probably in '87 we had, of course, the crash, and the Elliott wave theory gave the most